Jillian. I work for Building Heritage. Eliot's out for this week on vacation, but we've still been making some progress here in Jericho. We've sided the whole gable end of the barn, and we're in the process of putting the rest of the trim on. New novelty siding that just laps over each other. It's all been pre-primed and goes on really fast, and it's a good detail. These other guys have been around on the north side of the barn, and they've put new sheathing on the barn where it needs it, and started to cut window holes and openings out so we can put the windows in and get siding on that side as well. And we're just working our way around the barn. We'll do the same thing on the west side, and then around to the south side on the front. And on the inside, the cupola has been restored and is getting painted. Let's go take a look at that. So now we're inside the barn. We've got the floor all down, and we brought the cupola inside, and it's been restored and fixed up. Got new siding here where it needed it, and new trim replacements on the roof, and new boards on the roof. So that's ready for the new roofing, and it's been painted, so that's ready to go. When it's up there, we'll fly it up there, and then we'll finish what needs to be finished on the lower half once it's in place and we get it plumb and straight. And the window openings will have new louvered shutters that are getting painted right now, and those will go on to tie everything together.